Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and as you can see in this walkthrough, we're going to take a look at the Guides of the Hidden Realms by Colette Baron-Reid. This is her latest deck. It's not been out for very long at all. Welcome, Seeker, to this exploration of the hidden realms, your destiny and yourself. So it's another Hay House deck. What does it say on the back? Created as a special gift for Oracle card readers, Guides of the Hidden Realms is the first deck written and fully illustrated by Colette. With the help of the guides, our trusted navigators across the bridge between the realms of the mystical and ordinary realities, you'll be taken on a profound exploration of the hidden realms, your destiny and yourself. Awaken to more than you ever thought possible as you manifest your most beautiful, fulfilling destiny. Okay, I'm sold. I'm in. What does it say there? Accept the sacred partnerships of the guides and await to more than you ever thought possible, your true path, your purpose, your power and your potential. Wonderful. Okay, let's pop that to one side. What's the booklet like? A bit about Colette at the back. Does it tell you about the deck? Yeah, so she's illustrated this herself. You know, she's been around for a little while doing... Yeah, so she's got a few decks here. And the tarot. A good tarot. Some books. And how this oracle will serve you, how to work with it. So did she start off with an explanation? Yeah, so she just tells you a bit about the story of the guides and this oracle, so you always get the background of a deck, how it will serve you, how to work with it. So if you're actually a card reader, then you can use this as a how to read the cards, one card, and then she gives you some sample spreads. So the cards and their meanings. Right, what have we got? Key concepts. So she gives you key concepts. And then upright. Oh, and she's given you reversals as well, which is extremely unusual for oracle cards. Okay, so you've got reversals right the way through. How many cards did we have? 44. So some acknowledgements and a bit about Colette. So let's have a look at these cards. These are the backs. So you've got a celestial, kind of like a cloud, a cloud. The sun, just that seems to say to me, sky, but it may not be. Okay, so 1, serenity out of exile, and then you've got exile, surrender, radical acceptance. So there's a number of the card, the title, the artwork, and then obviously the keywords. Wow, that's impactful, isn't it? Victory, achievement, tangible abundance. She must have had so much fun doing this deck. This always says Raphael to me, this. Archangel Raphael, this colour of healing. Flow state, trusting in the adventure. So I think she's used the colours as well. Shadow work, healing and old wounds. So this is very spiritual, this card. The colour association to that. The sovereignty of magic, 5. Synchronicities. These are lovely, aren't they? Then you've got ripe, juicy and ready. Look, a big old strawberry. Poised for success, potential waiting to be realised. Epiphanies, sing at dawn. These eyes are mesmerising, aren't they? Grace within the chaos. The eyes of mystery. This reminds me of there's like a saying, isn't there? It's about the eyes have it all, and that is absolutely right. Inherited patterns, traditions, integrated wisdom versus knowledge. Nice quality card as well. The Ice Princess, isn't it? Frozen for a time. Ah, metamorphosis. A call to transformation. Begin with faith in spring. Beginnings, innocence, fertility, growth. Ah, I always have a tear welling up there. This is the consequence of fear. Our greatest enemy is our fear. Letting go the sacred quality of death. Death reclaims a life. All eyes are open and there are like literally eyes everywhere. Inspired vision. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think. It's essentially vibrant colour, eyes, and guides, would you say? I feel this is very much a guide. Oh, it is, isn't it? Is that what it's called? Yes, guides. Guides of the hidden realm. Oh, Maria, get with the programme. This and that are true. I love the colours. I don't know if the camera is actually doing it justice, but they are so vibrant. Such a refreshing deck. It's one you'll either love or you won't, because it's impactful. It has an impact. The emergence of hope. So these are the guides of the Hidden Realm Oracle deck. Shall I just quickly pick a card for you? There we go. Let's see what we've got. We don't want that one. Deaths of, what did it say it was? I can't cheat, can I? What was it? I wonder if it will happen again. How naughty am I? Right, the alchemy of poison. So now we're death and poison. Let's see what those two are. Let's have a look in the book. I'm not going to cheat. I am going to do it. Okay, what number was it? Oh, yeah, I bet you can see it before me already, can't you see? They were literally next door to each other. Death reclaims a life and the alchemy of poison. So let's see what that is. Page 66. See how easy it is to use these cards. 66. Death reclaims life. So the key concepts of that is natural endings, grief, letting go, the attributes of emptiness, saying goodbye with blessings, the sacred quality of death. So actually the transformation, the metamorphosis of endings, isn't it? And there's so much of that going on at the moment as I record this for everybody. We seem to be cleansing. The alchemy of poison. So this is transformational lessons, vulnerability to build inner strength, reclaiming personal choice, and radical forgiveness. I think as we shed that which no longer serves us, which seems to be a theme that's going through everything at the moment, then actually it's all about creating that vulnerability. I can't even say it, vulnerability. So childhood traumas shape who we are as adults. I mean, it's just very, I'm going to leave that just for a second so you can read those two cards, because I think that I obviously picked those for a reason. There you go. And that one there. Okay, so that's the guides. These cards are the guides of the Hidden Realm by Colette Baron-Reid. I hope you've enjoyed that, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.